Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your debit card account on Experian. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in experian.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Experian. Now in order to log into your debit card account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will see the sign in to your account option. Go ahead and click on this and you will be taken into your login portal. Go ahead and type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box, and you can also enter your email address if you wish to do so. Then type in your account password underneath within the password box, and now you can click on the sign in button and you will be signed into your Experian account right away. And once you're signed in, you can hover over and visit your debit card section. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your debit card account on Experian. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.